everyone, welcome to Coding with Pravin, and we'll solving the famous to some problem from LeetCode. This is a beginner friendly problem and we'll break it down step by step. Let's get started. Nums 2, 7, 11, 15 is an array and target is 9. The number 2 and 7 add up to 9 and indices are 0 and 1. The output from this example will be 0 and 1, and we will check for this also and this also. We are checking three of those, so let's break it down into steps and solve it. So we will look through each iteration. Here is I, j is finding adding up to 7 and 2, it becomes 9 or what. In first iteration we didn't found our target, so we will shift the position of I here on the first index, and then we will look through each iteration. And then so nums of j equal to 7 and sum of 2 plus 7 is 9. So we found our answer. If we didn't get the target, process continue until we find the solution or finish all the pairs. Now let's write the code for this approach in Java. Let's see how code works. Understanding everything, we'll run it. For integer I equals to 0, it is outer loop and I gets plus plus. This loop picks the first number. For integer j, this checks all the numbers after the first work like a inner loop. Yeah, and we check here if nums of I plus nums of j equal to target, then if their sum equals to the target, then return the indices. So here we did it. Here we return the indices, and after this, so let's run it and see what happens. And it's done. Answer is accepted. So let's submit it and let's see time complexity of this. Yeah, it's too much worst, but I have another way to solve it with using hash map. It's a beginner friendly, that's why I took this example for two loops, and this solved to some problem using simple approach. This method is easy to understand but may not the most efficient for large inputs. If you are interested in an optimized solution using hash map, let me know in the comments and I will make a video on it. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and stay curious and keep practicing.